So good morning, welcome to SAKALAVIDYA YouTube channel. Good morning all. Mr. Ravindra Kumar, actually you asked me the question, definitely you will get good marks, don't worry. But you need to watch all the my previous videos also. The previous videos are available in the playlist. So please go through them. And after that you ask me the question. Okay, now you stop because so we need to start the chapter that may disturb others. Okay, first you need to subscribe. So thank you one and all. This was a J. Razap, you have given good answer. Yes, thank you for giving me because even our regular viewers definitely counsel the other new viewers also. Thank you for your cooperation. Right. So in the last class, actually, we have been discussing on a very important. Sir, I need improvement exam. Vignesh Yadav actually. I already uploaded more than 600 videos on improvement examinations. Either 1A or 1B or 2A, 2B are available. Please go through them. So definitely you will be get benefited. So Vignesh Yadav, just you do like that. Okay, 47th question we don't discuss now. Actually, we need to discuss the domains, so different domains. After that, thank you, D'Souza. Okay, thank you. Okay. So today one most important concept that is actually we have been discussing for 2 days also, that is uh, domain. Domain is very important. Range is also very important part in functions. That's why today I will concentrate on total. This episode will be meant for domains of different functions itself only. Okay. First let us have a discussion on the next. After that I will go for 48 problem. Don't worry. So I will discuss the concepts first, then here I discuss examples also that may be even part of the problems. Functions, part 6. Part 6. So this is the type we can say 3. See, if the function is in the form of root of g of x, f of x is equal to, then domain is, already we have discussed, once again let me revise. Domain of f function is the solution set of g of x greater than or equal to 0. Okay, let us discuss one concept problem here. Domain of root of a square minus x square. Here a greater than 0. So what is the answer? Anybody? So let us discuss interactive session. This will be today. What is the domain of root of a square minus x square? You need to type it. I will give the time. Don't worry. I will give 2 minutes time. Now 9:34, 9:36 I will discuss. Domain of root of a square minus x square, where a greater than 0. A greater than 0. Right. Here method to find out solution. I will proceed for the solution. It will be in the form of root g of x. G of x will be greater than 0. That means a square minus x square greater than or equal to 0. Always make x square coefficient positive. Multiply minus 1 on both sides. You get x square minus a square less than or equal to 0. So factorization, we get x plus a into x minus a less than or equal to 0. Here you remember, even always you remember left hand side we need to equate to 0. Yes, x less than or equal to a, 0 comma a, right. Good, right. So we need to left hand side equated to 0, LHS equated to 0. If you equate LHS equal to 0, what do you get means this x plus a into x minus a equal to 0. So we get x is equal to minus a or x is equal to a, we get it. These are called actually critical points, but it's not required for concept. They are called critical points. So now as we know the critical points, domain and range are same only, sir. No, they are different. I will discuss later, don't worry. So critical points. Then what we need to do means we can solve this problem with the help of, now take a number line. So number line, for example, this is the origin O0. This will be minus a. This will be a because a is greater than 0. Given condition is given. This will be minus infinity. This will be plus infinity. So break into 3 intervals. 1, 2, 3 intervals. So now this is called actually wavy curvy method. This method is called wavy curve method. Using this method easily we can solve the inequalities. Actually this is called inequality. How to solve inequality means you see the x minus a power. X minus a power is 1. 1 is odd. Whenever 1 is odd, first you start from the right hand side plus sign. Next, when it is actually odd, now odd this here plus changes to minus. Now check the power of x plus a. This is also odd. This becomes plus. So we need to check here less than 0. Less than 0 means actually negative. Negative means, so we need to consider here to here. We need to consider here to here. And also one more thing, this a is included in this one, and minus a is included and a is included. Therefore here we can write domain equals to, we can write domain equals to closed minus a comma a closed, or we can write like this also, minus a less than or equal to x, x less than or equal to a. Understood now? Very good, wonderful, right. So now some examples, let us discuss examples. First one, domain of first problem, root of 4 minus x square. Second, root of 9 minus x square. Third, root of 16 minus x square. Fourth, root of 7 minus x square. Fifth, root of 3 minus 4x square. Enough. Now tell me answers, all of you. Root of 4 minus x square, root of 9 minus x square, root of 16 minus x square, and root of 7 minus x square, and root of 3 minus 4x square. So here you remember first of all this concept. This is important. Domain of root over a square minus x square provided a greater than 0 is minus a to a. This is the shortcut. You can remember. Yes. First one. What is the first one? Actually here a square is equal to how much? 4. A is equal to 2. So first option is DF, say DF, domain of F, minus 2 comma 2. You check it. Solutions. First one. Second one, domain of F equals to, here a square is equal to, this is a square, 3. This will be minus 3 comma 3. Third, domain of F, minus 4 comma 4. You check your answers, all of you. Fourth is very important. What is the fourth? Actually here we have fourth, a square is equal to 7. A will be root 7. This is important. A is root 7. So domain of F is equal to minus root 7 comma root 7. Now the fifth one. Fifth one is some manipulation you need to do. You need to make x square coefficient positive. That means take 4 common out. If you take 4 common out, what do you get now here? So this is 3 minus 4x square greater than or equal to 0. That implies 4x square minus 3 less than or equal to 0. This we can write 2x minus 3 into 2x plus 3 less than or equal to 0. Therefore domain of F is equal to, we can write minus 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. This will be, sorry, root 3. I forgotten, root 3. Root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2. Right? Thank you. Thank you. So here we have discussed 5 problems under same model. So but you need to concentrate on this one. This is very important. So you need to concentrate on this one. This is important. Right. Let us move to the next model. The domain of root of x square minus a square, a greater than 0. So let's have a discussion on this model. The domain of root of x square minus a square, a greater than 0. So now what we need to do it now here, see. First step is x square minus a square is equated to 0. To find out critical points, this is x plus a into x minus a equals to 0. We get x is equal to minus a or a. They are called critical points. Critical points. Critical points. Okay. Right. Next, now the procedure here, method solution. You see, this is in the form of root of g of x. X square minus a square must be greater than or equal to 0. X square is positive. Leave it now. Wavy curvy method. Take number line. This is minus a less than 0, a greater than 0. So that means make divide into 3 intervals. This is minus infinity, this is plus infinity. So this we can write x minus a into x plus a greater than or equal to 0. Here actually x minus a is power is 1, but moreover we start with plus sign. As odd changes to mine, this power is odd, changes sign, plus. We need plus sign. Plus sign means we need to consider here to here, and we need to consider here to here. So that means actually here domain of f is domain equals to domain is, here we can write x less than or equal to minus a, or x greater than or equal to a. Therefore domain of f is equal to, you can write like this, minus infinity to a closed. This closed means this is included, this is also included, this open, union. We should not consider this sign, plus sign, positive means. So a to infinity. So wavy curvy method means from right hand side you need to put plus sign first. First put plus. Whether sign will change or not, that depends upon power of the x minus a. Power of the x minus is 1. 1 is odd, changes. Next check the power of x plus a. 1 odd, changes. Minus changes to plus. That means here in between, here greater than 0, here greater than 0, positive. So that means minus infinity to minus a, sorry, this is minus a, union a to infinity. Right. So next, examples. Domain of first root of x square minus 25, second root of x square minus 16, third root of x square minus 49, fourth root of x square minus 5, fifth root of 5x square minus 16. So now tell me the answer. You practice these questions now. First, second, third, fourth and fifth problems. I'll give the plenty of practice on these domains, because the domains are very important problems. Understood now? So I don't have any textbook with now. Presently I am discussing the models, that's all. The same questions may appear, may not questions. Number may change in the examination, Mr. Harshavardhan. Right. So first let me write the formula. Domain of root of x square minus a square, a greater than 0, is minus infinity to minus a, closed, union a to infinity. Right. So now let us write the one by one answers. You check your answers, I will write the answers now. Solutions. First one is actually, you can write like this, x square minus 25 means critical points are minus 5 comma 5. Am I correct now? Critical points for first one. So that is domain of f. df equals to, so minus infinity to 5 minus 5 union 5 to infinity. Second, domain of f. Here critical points are minus 4 comma 4. Very good. Even you are able to type minus infinity to minus 4 union 4 to infinity. Third one, domain of f, that is actually minus 7 7. So minus infinity comma minus 7 union 7 to infinity. Fourth one, here a square is equal to 5. A will be plus or minus root 5. So that's why domain of f equals to minus infinity to minus root 5 union root 5 to infinity. Fifth one is important. Actually, what will you get now here? This will be, you can write the domain of f is equal to minus infinity comma minus 4 comma root 5, correct? Closed union 4 by root 5 comma infinity. So that means without paper pen you can do the problems. Without any paper pen also you can solve the problems. Right. Next, domain of root of x minus a multiplied by b minus x. Domain of root of x minus a into b minus x, where a less than b, a less than b, a less than b. Okay. So now here solution, x minus a into b minus x for a domain should be greater than or equal to 0. But actually x into minus x is minus x square. We need to make x square coefficient. X into minus x is minus x square. We need to make x square coefficient unity. Multiply minus 1 on both sides. This can be written x minus a into x minus b. This becomes symbol reverses less than 0. First let us find out the critical points. So x minus a, x minus b equals to 0, left hand side. We get x is equal to a or b. But what condition is given? A is less than b. So this condition is very important to apply, to draw or to locate on the number line. To locate on the number line. Take the number line now. So a less than b means a is here, b. This is infinity, this is minus infinity. So we can divide into 3 intervals. Now you need to check the signs now. See, first plus sign, put plus sign. Now check x minus b power is odd, minus. Check x minus a sign, that is also odd power. Sign changes, plus. But we need less than 0. Less than 0 means negative. Negative means we need to consider here to here. And a is included and b is included. Therefore, domain equals to closed a comma b, because a less than b. Suppose a greater than b, what will be the answer? B comma a. You need to write. Suppose a greater than b, the same answer becomes what? B greater than a. That need to be written. Understood now? Yes, if any condition is given, only we should do like this. Right now? Now problems, some problems for practice I will give it. you practice them. Later also now, not necessary now. Root of x minus 2 into 3 minus x. Second, into 4 minus x. Third, root of x plus 5 into 7 minus x. Okay. Next, domain of 1 by root of a square minus x square, a greater than 0. So let us find out this one. So domain of 1 by root of a square minus x square, a is greater than 0, positive. Okay. Solution. For domain, a square minus x square must be greater than 0, should not be equal to 0. If it is 0, 1 by 0, 1 by 0 is not defined. So multiply with minus sign, you get x square minus a square less than 0. This we can write x plus a into x minus a less than 0. So that means x plus a into x minus a is equated to 0 for critical points. So we get x is equal to minus a or a. They are the critical points. Critical points. So now write number line. This will be minus a. This will be a. 3 intervals. See, this sign will be plus. X minus a power is odd minus. X plus a power is also odd plus. But we need negative sign. Here to here we need to consider. And also here actually this is not included, not included and not included. Therefore we can write domain equals to open minus a comma a. This is very important. Both sides are open. Open minus a comma a. So examples. Domain of first one 1 by 16 minus x square. Second, 1 by root of 25 minus x square. Third, 1 by root of 49 minus x square. Fourth, 1 by root of 7 minus x square. Fifth, 1 by root of 3 minus 4x square. Okay, I will give 3 minutes time for you. Solve all the problems. Very good, Vaishnavi, Jasmita, Prasanna, Suma. Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, definitely, I will upload circles also. Vishwank, Suma, Sudha, Rishvik, Vaibhav, Infinite Kings, Balu, wonderful, Vaishnavi, wonderful, everybody is wonderful. Good job. Oh, nice, 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 nice. Are you following? Right. Tisauja, Ashwaradi. Okay. Ravi Kiran. Right, Nana. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Right. Okay, let me, for myself, I will do it now. Because for this is for offline viewers. Solution. We check your answers, all of you. First one. A square is equal to 16. A is equal to 4. Critical points are minus 4 comma 4. So that will be domain of f is equal to minus 4 comma 4. Second, domain of f is equal to minus 5 comma 5. Am I correct now? So next, third, domain of f is equal to minus 7 comma 7. Fourth is important. Domain of f is equal to minus root 7 comma root 7. Now fifth one, it's important. What is the fifth one? Now here you'll be getting domain of f is equal to minus root 3 by 2 comma root 3 by 2. Correct? Yes, yes, yes. Right. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Domain of root of x minus a by x minus b. This model is very, very important. Root of x minus a by x minus b, where a less than b. A less than b, we need to find out. So the domain of x minus a, x minus b, where a less than b, you need to find out. Right, right. Okay, now for domain of this root f of g of x, x minus a, x minus b greater than or equal to 0. And one more condition, x minus b does not equal to 0. Remember this condition, because if x minus b is 0, division by 0 is not defined. Here x does not equal to b. This condition you need to remember. Right? Thank you, thank you. So now multiply both numerator and denominator with x minus b. You get like this. X minus a into x minus b upon x minus b whole square greater than or equal to 0. Since x does not equal to b, x minus b whole square is not equal to 0. Cross multiply. This is positive value. So we get x minus a into x minus b greater than 0. In brackets, x does not equal to b. So now we need to find out critical points. We need to find out critical points. For critical points, x minus b, a into x minus b need to be equated to 0. So we get x is equal to a or x is equal to b. It's critical points. Critical points. So now you take a number line. This is minus infinity. This is plus infinity. Here what is the condition? A less than b. A first write down. After that b. B will be the, since a greater less than b, B will be the right of A. So now how many intervals you need to write? 3 intervals. 1, 2. First, actually see, you start with the symbols from right hand side plus. See the power of x minus b, 1 odd plus changes to minus. Now x minus a power is odd, changes to plus. Okay, we need plus sign, but here one thing, x does not equal to b means b should not be considered. B should not be considered. You remember like this. So this a is included. A is included in the interval. So that means now it's very important. You need to remember domain equals to minus infinity to a included. Remember, included union open, because it's not included b to infinity. This is very important. No, this is actually, you check your option. Kodala Kalyani, Bolla Jagadish. Right. It's not less than 0, greater than or equal to 0. Okay, thank you. Next, domain of root of x minus a upon x minus b, where a greater than b. Then find yourself. Suppose this question is given. What is your answer? How do you react? Domain of root of x minus a upon x minus b, where a greater than b. Okay. Suma, give my number. Balu, give my number to Janardhan. Domain of root of x minus a upon x minus b, where a greater than b. Right. Thank you. Solution. For domain we have x minus a upon x minus b greater than or equal to 0. But one condition, x minus x does not equal to b. Multiply both numerator and denominator in the left hand side, x minus b. We get x minus a into x minus b upon x minus b whole square greater than or equal to 0. Since x does not equal to b, positive, multiply both sides. We get x minus a and x minus b greater than or equal to 0. Now let us find out critical points. For critical points, x minus a into x minus b equated to 0. We get x is equal to a or b, critical points. So to apply the wavy curvy method, first draw the number line. So this is minus infinity, this is plus infinity. A greater than b. A greater than b means b is here. This will be left of right of b. A. So now b is less than a. This is plus sign. Okay, directly I will write minus sign and plus sign. Greater than 0 means we need to consider here to here and here to here. But b is not included. B is not included. But a is included. A is included. B is not included. You remember one thing. So that means actually here domain equals to minus infinity comma b open union closed a to infinity. Right. So one more I will discuss. I think you might have got an idea. Right. B is not included, Vaishnavi. Right. Next, domain. Domain of root of a minus x upon b minus x, where a less than b. A less than b. So find its domain. Find its domain. Find its domain. Find its domain. Okay, let us proceed. Solution for a domain as it is in the form of root g of x. G of x must be greater than or equal to 0. A minus x upon b minus x greater than or equal to 0, but b minus x does not equal to 0. That means x does not equal to b. B is not included. That means that multiply both numerator and denominator with b minus x. A minus x multiplied with b minus x greater than or equal to 0. Okay. So now a minus x and b minus x, okay, greater than 0. Multiply with minus sign. What do you get now here? X minus a into b minus x will be less than or equal to 0. Right. Right. Directly also we can do. So now the critical points directly I will write. X is equal to a or b. So number line you take it. This will be okay. Minus infinity, infinity. This will be a, this will be b. See here we have actually plus sign. And now what is the b minus x power? B minus x power is actually odd power, minus and plus. So here to here and here to here. Now b is not included. So domain equals to minus infinity to a union b to infinity. Okay, right. Next, domain of log g of x. This is very important. Log g of x. Log of g of x. So here domain is g of x greater than 0, positive only, not equal to 0. G of x greater than 0. No, because a minus x and b minus x. Right. So g of x greater than 0. So we discuss one problem now, one model. Domain of log of a square minus x square. Log of a square minus x square. See, solution, this a square minus x square should be greater than 0. Multiply with minus sign, x square minus a square less than 0. So now we need to find out the critical points. This we can write x plus a into x minus a less than 0. So x equals to minus a or a. These two are the critical points. Okay. Now wavy curvy method, let us apply. Here a greater than 0, remember. Minus infinity plus infinity. Obviously when a greater than 0, minus a is negative. So minus a will be less than a only. So now this is plus sign, minus sign, plus sign. Less than 0 means here to here, and these two are not included. These two are not included. So that means I am writing directly domain equals to, now I can go as fast, no problem, you can understand. Domain equals to open minus a comma a. This is log of a square minus x square. Understood now? I will give some examples. You give me your responses now. Domain of first, these are all problems only. Domain of 4 log of 4 minus x square. Second, log of 9 minus x square. Log of 25 minus x square. Log of 7 minus x square. Fifth, log of 16 minus 25 x square. Oh, very good, very good. So many responses today. So many responses. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Wonderful. Okay. So now the solution. First one, domain of f equals to, here a square is equal to 4, a is equal to plus or minus 2. That means open minus 2 comma 2. Second one, domain of f equals to minus 3 comma 3. Open. Third, domain of f is equal to minus 5 comma 5. Fourth, domain of f minus root 7 comma root 7. Fifth is important. Carefully we need to do. So that means actually 4 by 5 minus 4 by 5, 4 by 5. Am I correct? How to calculate? Equate to 0 and find critical points. That's all. Dou f equals to, this is equated to 0. So you get 4 minus 5x into 4 plus 5x equal to 0. So that means minus 4 by 5, here critical points, minus 4 by 5 and 4 by 5. So minus 4 by 5 comma 4 by 5. So wonderful. Very good. Good try. Right, enough. So next, domain of log of x square minus a square. Now you can expect where a greater than 0. Anybody? What is the answer? Just expect it. Can you expect? Domain of log of x square minus a square. Very good. Prasanna Hani, correct. Infinite Kings, just you are absolutely correct, but moreover, you check the brackets. Solution x square minus a square greater than 0. X plus a into x minus a greater than 0. C x plus a into x minus a equals to 0. X equals to minus a or a. These are the critical points. Take the number line. Minus a, plus minus plus. Here to here and here to here. So domain equals to minus infinity to minus a union a to infinity. Examples. Domain of first log of x square minus 16. Second, log of x square minus 25. Third, log of x square minus 49. Fourth, log of x square minus 7. Fifth, log of 5x square 25x square minus 9. Oh, very good. Vamshi Krishna Yadav. Vallabh. Vamshi Krishna Yadav. Right. Hack lovers. Okay. Very good. Solution. First one, minus infinity to, actually minus 4 union 4 to infinity. Second, df minus infinity to minus 5 union 5 to infinity. Next, third, minus infinity to minus 7 union 7 to infinity. Fourth, minus infinity to minus of root 7 union root 7 to infinity. Fifth, domain of f. Here carefully you need to write. So 25x square minus 9 equal to 0. What do you get now here? Minus 3 by 5. Am I correct? Union 3 by 5 comma infinity. 3 by 5 comma infinity. Who is written? Suma. Okay. Right. Domain of log of mod x square minus a square. A greater than 0. Yes, Prasanna, that you can write like that also, no problem. Absolutely correct. Okay, the domain of log of mod of x square minus a square. What is the answer? Anybody? Anybody? Just look at on the screen. Okay. Now, this question is very important. Here, domain of log of x square minus a square. Here, x square minus modulus means x square minus a square may be negative. Understood now? That's why, but only one thing. Whenever x square equal to a square, it does not define. So this function will not accept x is equal to plus or minus a value. That's all. So that's why whenever modulus is there, very important this one. You remember, very important concept this one. Here solution x square minus a square does not equal to 0. That means x plus a into x minus a does not equal to 0. For critical points, you can LHS is equated to 0. Critical points is minus a or a. That means therefore x does not equals to this value minus a comma a. Except these two values, it accepts any value. That means domain equals to set of real numbers minus a comma a. It's not a simple bracket, it's a modulus, you remember always. Modulus. So now examples I will give. Domain of first log mod of x square minus 4. Second, log mod of 3 minus x square. No problem. X square minus 3 or x square, both are same. Third option, log mod of x square minus 7. Fourth one, log of mod 1 minus x. Fifth one, log of mod x. Sixth one, log of mod x plus 2. Complete all these problems. Complete all these problems. It's very good, very good, very good. So first one, x square minus 4 does not equal to 0. That means x does not equal to minus 2 comma 2. Am I correct now? So domain of f is equal to set of real numbers r minus minus 2 comma 2. Except minus 2 comma 2, it will accept any value. So just I explained one method. Second, I will write directly, because minus root 3 comma root 3, that is set of real numbers minus root 3 comma root 3. Third one. So now domain of f is equal to r minus root 7 comma root 7. Third one, this is third. Fourth one, domain of f equals to 1 minus x, 0 means x does not equal to 1, r minus 1. Okay. Fifth one, x does not equal to 0. Domain of f is equal to r minus 0. Sixth one, domain of f is equal to r minus 2. Correct? You can check your answers. Okay, tomorrow we shall continue the session. So evening we shall have the binomial theorem, and tomorrow we will discuss problems itself only, because the domain part is very important. That's why today I have given lot of practice session to you. So tomorrow onwards we shall discuss only the problems. Okay, I hope you might have enjoyed. All of you understood the concept? Have you got an idea? Okay, thank you. Bye bye. See you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.